Here's your NabStand. This video is on how to exchange the hinge. Okay, just grab your NabStand. We use a pair of scissors. You open it. You are going to see a little hole, or you poke through it. Be careful with your fingers. Okay, you have to make sure it comes out easy. If it doesn't come out easy, just close your scissors, push it back in, and try the other side. Alright? If you force the pin to go out, it will not work. Once you want to put it back inside. Like I said again, be careful with your fingers. It's not something that your kids should do. Or if you're not handy, you see how easy it comes out. I don't know if you can see here, but there is one side is a little thicker than the other. You have to always remember, once you put it back in, to put the thick side last. So it goes in. There. You push it in again. Flat with your scissors. And you're done. Now these new hinges, this part right here, it changed. We changed it. We made it a little thicker because it was getting stuck to the nabby too much. There, you can see it better. Right there. Before it was a little thinner, so now it's thicker. It's gonna go in very loose. It will go in very loose. But once it clicks on, it will stay in place. Okay, so don't worry, it's gonna go in very, very loose. But once it clips on it, once you click it in your nabby, it will stay. It will not fall out. Alrighty. Thank you, and hopefully this video will help you.